TechnoGimp. Color Me. Teach. Software demo. Learners color vector drawings of characters using the Paintbrush tool and Bucket Fill tool. List of topics. Coloring a character using layers, Paintbrush tool, and Bucket Fill tool. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 45 to 51. Teddybear.png. Have you tried coloring a coloring book? Based on your experience, what colors do you think do not go well together? Color theory. Color theory will help you understand how color combinations work. Color wheel. A color wheel is a guide that helps you weave through multiple colors in a spectrum. Analogous colors. These are colors that are adjacent with each other in the color wheel. Complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite one another in the color wheel. Triadic colors. These are three colors that are evenly spaced in the color wheel. Monochromatic colors. These are colors that vary in tone, tint, and shade off of one color. Activity, Color Me. 1. Open the image file, teddybear.png in GIMP. 2. Right-click on the image layer and select Add Alpha Channel to add transparency to your layer. If the Add Alpha Channel button is not available or clickable, it means that the image already has an alpha channel. 3. To color the illustration faster, separate the character from its background. Right-click on the image, then choose Select by Color to select the areas with the same color in the layer. 4. Next, click on the white background to select all the white areas in the image. The image should look like this after selecting all the white areas. Then, press Delete to remove the background. 5. Now, only the character remains in the layer along with the alpha channel or the transparency that you have added. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to deselect. 6. Create a new layer and 1. Name it Paintbrush Layer. 2. Set the fill width to white, then 3. Click on OK. The canvas should now be colored with white because the new layer is on top of the image layer. 7. Rename the teddybear.png layer to Bucket Fill Layer. Then, drag the Bucket Fill layer above the Paintbrush layer. 8. To manually color the character, select the Paintbrush tool and choose a color in the foreground color selector. Make sure that the Paintbrush layer is selected before coloring. For starters, you can use the HTML notation 81552E for the base color of the teddy bear. 9. While coloring, notice that the brush only colors the white areas and not the black outline of the character. This is because the Paintbrush layer is below the Bucket Fill layer, which has the outline of the character. Do not use the Bucket Fill tool while on the Paintbrush layer, as it will fill the whole image with color. To use the Bucket Fill tool to color the character, first make sure that the Bucket Fill layer is selected or active in the Layers dialog. 11. Using the Bucket Fill tool, click on the head of the bear to instantly color it. Keep in mind that the Bucket Fill tool only colors closed areas. 12. You can fill or brush the teddy bear with color while the foreground color selector dialog box is open. You need to click on OK to change the color every time. Simply choose a color and click on the character, then choose another color. Repeat the steps for the other parts of the character. You may choose different colors from the color selector to create a different output from the example below.
Processing questions. How was your experience in coloring a character? Is it easier to paint digitally? Check your understanding. Adding colors to a drawing brings life to it. In the next activity, we will be coloring another drawing, but this time, we will use the color wheel to help you pick colors that go well together.